figure out which transformations happened first to get from here to here, and then to get from here to here. The way you know that which ones are first is because, see how these are just A, B, C on the first triangle? That means it's first. A prime, B prime, C prime is second. Double prime, B double prime, C double prime, that's third. So which transformation happened to get from here to here? And then on number 2, which one happened to get from here to here? Okay, so try that with your group.
No, but I'm talking about the last one. Okay, so the first one.
So instead of vertical, they'll just say which line of reflection was.
Oh yeah, you're right. Is this right?
All right, I think I saw all you guys get rotate 90 degrees and reflect over x-axis. All right, so last one. This is called a composition of transformations. It's like the other one. It's just we're going to do this one ourselves. So we're first just going to plot these points, and then we'll apply 2 transformations to it. So negative 2, 2 is A. Negative 4, 6 is B. And negative 2, 4. Let's see, negative 2, 4 is C. And so that's a triangle, so we're going to connect those points so it looks like a triangle.
Is this how it looks?
It looks like this. So make sure you've labeled your points. Okay, so do you see on B, it says rotate the triangle 90 degrees counterclockwise. So you can either use the rule or you can use your turning the paper method. I'll use the rule. Remember that the rule is xy becomes negative yx. So if A was negative 2, 2, then first they switch places to become 2, negative 2, and then the first one changes sign. So negative 2, 2 becomes negative 2, negative 2 for our new A. Okay, so for B, our original B was at negative 4, 6. So the rule says first they switch places, so 6, negative 4. And then the first one changes sign, so negative 6, negative 4 is our new B. Yeah, yours are like split up a little bit, but same thing, just different order. So negative 6, negative 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for C, our original C was at negative 2, positive 4. So they'll switch to become 4, negative 2. So we've got negative 4, negative 2. Okay, so again, if you're wondering how I'm getting those numbers. So C was at negative 2, positive 4. So the rule is that xy becomes negative yx, which means that first they just switch orders. So the 4 comes in the front, and negative 2 goes in the back. And then because the y up here in our rule is negative, it means that the first one changes sign. So negative 4, negative 2. All right, and then for the last one, on your paper it says, reflect over the line y equals 2. So remember, if it's a y equals line, it's horizontal. Okay, x X equals are excited, so they're vertical up and down. But Y is lazy, so it's horizontal. Okay, that's how you can remember. All right. Y's are lazy, so they're horizontal. So I'm going to draw my line of reflection at Y equals 2. And so we're going to apply the second transformation to our A prime, B prime, C prime triangle. So don't go back to your original ABC. You're going to reflect A prime, B prime, C prime. All right, so just count to your line of reflection and then keep going. So from A prime, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to my line of reflection. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 past my line of reflection to get A double prime. For C, I go 1, 2, 3, 4 to my line of reflection. And so then I'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4 past my line of reflection. So because this line is flat, go diagonal when your lines are diagonal, but since this line is flat, I'm going to go straight up. So I went 4 from C prime up to my line of reflection, so I'm just going to keep going 4 past my line of reflection. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So C double prime shares a spot with B, but that's okay. And then for the last one, I think the last one goes off the graph by 1. Because B prime to the line of reflection is up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then I'm going to go 6 past the line of reflection. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B prime, B double prime. And then I'm just going to connect my points.